Hey guys, we're varga-gaming. I'm at the store. It's locked. And here's washing machines. AG new 6,000 11 volt. AG 9,000 series. And look, the new LG. The new LG, the VX washing machine. And of course, and over here, there's more wash machines. The Siemens. There's the Siemens. Sonrig. Bosch. It's not Bosch, it's Siemens. Extra-class. My neighbor has this machine. This is Bosch. Series 4. Cool. And this is Siemens dryer. IQ 300. And this is also IQ 300. That's the end of the video, guys. Please don't subscribe. See you next video. Bye-bye.